Hello and welcome to a new episode of the AMAnews for May 2022, and we will directly start with Amazon SEO, search engine optimization, and we have found a new feature. Now you can see your former used searches as auto-suggests, where you will stay there for a few minutes and hours, and so you can find your own search behavior of the last couple of time. So when Amazon content with that we have seen a new feature. That means the customer ratings by feature, they are not absolutely new, but their position now is next to the bullet points in the situation of desktop. On mobile you can find them also directly up in the PDP. That's really cool for the customer, and make sure you have quite good reviews for specific features, like you can see it here: comfort, stain resistance, wrinkle free, and softness. For Amazon advertising, now you can find a drop down for sponsored displays. That is really cool. You can now suggest if you want to use a custom bid or you want to see a suggested bid. The suggested bids are based on past bidding activity to predict bids that are more likely to win. Here's the situation: Amazon is not talking about to win the ad auction and to gain an impression. When Amazon is talking about to win, they are talking about click rate. Okay, so that means with that suggested bids, you will get the click at the end. In the section Amazon Marketing, you can find new data in brand analytics for demographics. They are separated into age, household income, education, gender, and marital status, and it looks like that. You will see the data directly for your brand and your products and not for the whole market. And when we have found manage your customer engagement, that means that you have now a free tool in beta for brands who have stores page and followers. With manage your customer engagement, brands can easily launch email marketing campaigns to their followers on Amazon by simply selecting the product they want to highlight, customizing the email with their logo and product imagery, and choosing a time frame that works best for them. That is really cool. I'm really happy to see that rollout. That is a cool way to interact with your own customers. When we need to talk about the Amazon Marketplace of news. So here you can see that in the US the small and light price threshold to increase to $10. We are pleased to tell you that FBA Small and Light will increase the price threshold for eligible products from $8 to $10 effective April 28, 2022. Of course, this change allows more of your products to become eligible for the program and receive fulfillment discounts. Amazon has also offered a new promotional discount on Amazon Partnered Carrier Program in the EU, in Europe. That means Germany, France, Italy, and Spain. 50% to the program fees of domestic shipments to our fulfillment centers. The discount will apply automatically to any domestic shipment that is created between April 12th, 2022 and April 12th, 2023. Okay, it will be calculated based on standard Amazon Partnered Carrier Program rates that are in effect at the time the shipping is created. You can find an overview about the relevant information, like with Amazon Partnered Carrier Program, fulfillment by Amazon seller in the UK, Germany, France, Italy, and Spain can send shipments to fulfillment centers across Europe at discounted rates. Any seller that sends product from their warehouses in the UK, Germany, France, Spain, and Italy to an Amazon fulfillment center is eligible, and the following conditions applies. Like, shipments must be created in Seller Central between the mentioned date, April 12th this year, until April 12th next year. Shipments must be created using the Amazon Partnered Carrier Program with UPS, DHL, or Kühne Nagel. You can find more under the link directly. Then Amazon has offered a new storage type, extra large, effective April 18th, 2022. We are offering another storage type, extra large, in addition to the oversized storage type. This new storage type gives you more flexibility in how you manage your inventory and quantity limits for larger items. You can directly find an overview like that the extra large and oversized storage types are not the same, and orders for these items are handled through separate fulfillment networks. The table below shows you the criteria for the two storage types. For items to be considered extra large or oversized, they must meet at least one of the following criteria. You can see it directly here. And if you have existing inventory that meets the criteria for extra large storage type, it will be removed automatically from oversized storage type and reclassified as extra large. No action from you is required. When Amazon has offered new data, especially for sessions and page views separated into browser and mobile app. At first, everybody thought it was only for the API, but it is now also included in the API. That is the one cool thing. And on the other side, the data are directly shown in your Seller Central and up to 12 months retrospectively. The interesting part here, you can see it, it's an additional data. It was not included before, and you can find it for sessions, for page views, as you see it on the right side directly. In other words, you will have more sessions from 12 months ago, and you can see it in your data. That is a really, really cool insight about the shopping behavior. Then we have an update on the US FBA fulfillment fees, starts April 28. Everybody has heard it, hopefully. Beginning April 28, we will implement a fuel and inflation surcharge of 5% on top of your current FBA fulfillment fees per unit. That is for the USA. For Europe, beginning May 12th, we will implement a fuel and inflation surcharge of 4.3% on top of your current fulfillment by Amazon fulfillment rates. Okay, so the US and Europe are forcing the same fulfillment fees. They are raised up 5% or 4.3%. And last but not least, Amazon has released Buy with Prime. You can directly find it under buywithprime.amazon.com. Buy with Prime is a new way to grow your D2C, direct to customer stores. You can offer same fast free delivery, your store, your customers. That is one benefit, and simply easy setup. And when you can go through the steps, and the most interesting part is you don't need to list your products on Amazon or sell on Amazon. You can just use the Amazon warehouses for the logistics system. That is really interesting. If you like that so far, please subscribe to our channel, and if you want to stay informed about new videos, of course ring the bell and feel free to use the AMALYZE browser extension. That was the episode of the AMAnews for May 2022.